So mga karooftop, mayong buntag kanyang tanan na kakaroon diri sa Capernaum nga diin diri sa diri ang lugar ni Peter. Diri kami si Jesus Christ. Jesus Capernaum. Capernaum. Sige mang. Sige. Sige. Larga bola. Picture. Puli ka ni Roy. Puli ni Roy. Sige, smile lang. Click mo lang ha. Okay, okay naman. Larga man. Okay ra. Okay naman. Kabala ka kay sigurado na nakuha na siya. Mga karooftop, may hapon, may punto, may buntag, may gabi patog sa mga makahimo pag kanan. Asa man. So ay balay gidini. Ay balay. Ano ha? So diri si Jesus ni katulog. Jesus. Pero kini siya, kon gini siya kay kanang na-resurrected naman siya ni. Resurrected naman. Tara na, maranata. Mga karooftop. Kita natin ang mga big stones. Kuya kaayos. Precious bigay mga bako nila sa unang. Patong nila.
You also had a few in the eastern part of the Sea of Galilee. We spoke about how the Jews refused to mingle with non-Jews back then. In fact, yesterday we checked on Caesarea Maritima. Peter said to the centurion, "You are a Roman. I'm a Jew. Today, I'm a Jew. And you know how it's unlawful about a Jew to mingle with non-Jews. This here, ladies and gentlemen, percent of the people who lived here were non-Jews. The Jews, they lived in close communities. Back in those days, the Sea of Galilee area was divided into three sections: the northern section, the eastern section, and the western section. The Jews lived up in the north: Capernaum, Tabga, Magdala, Kemerot, Bethsaida, Chorazim, right? Nazareth. The Jews lived up in the north. The Greeks, we spoke why the Greeks came here, they lived in the east. It's all because of Alexander the Great. And the Romans who came to the Promised Land, who conquered the Promised Land or the Holy Land in the year 63 BC by Pompeius, they stayed here up until the year 324. They actually built many cities. And Herod Antipas, the son of King Herod the Great, built the city of Tiberias, according to Roman standards. The Bible never mentions Jesus ever entering the city of Tiberias. You know why? Because it was built above a Jewish cemetery, a Roman graveyard. The Jews refused to enter to pagan graveyards in order for them not to defile themselves. So, this is where Jesus would have stayed at, in this area. However, there are a few stories that Jesus crossed over to the Greek area, Gerasenes, and there he met Legion, right? But the Bible never mentions that Jesus ever went to Tiberias. Okay? Cana, we went to Cana. Jesus performed two miracles at Cana, John 2 and John 4. Remember? Sepphoris, I mentioned it was the first capital of Galilee. Nazareth, my favorite city. Nain. Jesus resurrected. Mount Tabor. We're going to be heading there later on after lunch. And there, the Lord transfigured and showed the second nature, the divine. We are right now in Capernaum, at Capernaum. Capernaum in Hebrew is Bar Nahum. In Arabic, Kafar Nahum. But it means the village of Nahum, the prophet of Nahum, but also can mean border village. I want to say
Para
this.
Bitsayda
Even
dito.
though there's a sign over there that says,
Ha?
the house of
Wala na
Peter,
tumagi.
Peter is not from here. Peter's from Bethsaida, Mark 6, with his brother Andreas and John. And one of the
Malibot
things
sa
that
kamay.
you see here that has the black color, ruins, it's from the
Black
time of
colors.
Christ. And whatever is white is from the 4th century. Guys, you're welcome to do it.
So nami karon diri mga craft up akong kuan ha. Nag-dress ako ang beautiful wife. So diri mi nagsuri-suri mi karon diri. Unsa ganin di Kapernaum. Kapernaum. Lagi bilig na diri na puyo. Diri ang balay ni San Peter. Mga craft up. Kailangan na to diri ang stone. Ang mga bato diri. Okay. Sanar naman mga bato diri, mga rocks, di ba? Ang edifice diri mga karto. Grabe yung mga batuhan. Kita ani yung mga bato ato namang ipanglabay. Surrender naman ta. So na mga dagkong bato. Sige. Amo ni sycamore tree. Mga karto pa picture sa mi diri sa the sycamore tree. Okay? So duhata. Ha? Mo na sycamore tree dai. Sa atong kanon ha. Sycamore tree. Sige lang, tungtong na niya, oh. Tungtong lang. Sige, anak, mura kag si Sakyo.
Anak,
Sige.
ako po basta.
Sige, bye-bye. Sige.
Sycamore.
Okay. Sige. Sige. Atong si Cor. Sige. Sige, kay maniud to na ta. Sige, kaya pa. Kaya ra. Kaya pa man. Kaya. Asa. Ano lang sit up. Sige, smile ha. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ikaw daw si Sakyo, mang. Si Divine ang Jesus. Okay, so nag-meet si Sakyo, si Jesus. Okay na? Okay. Ha? Sige. Sige, okay. Sakyo. Okay, sige man. Supo to. Sige lang, ana lang diri ako. Ikaw ron na diha. Si Ma'am Divine, pasaka Ma'am Divine.
Kunat ka.
Na Persian cat man oh. So you have cat from Capernaum is here with us. Cat from Capernaum. Is here with us. Cat from Capernaum. Mang Capernaum. Okay, kabit-bit ko diri cat from Capernaum mga karoftab. Uy, ayaw niya, dagan mo siya. Okay. So amazing mga higala. Mga karoftab diri kay. Ang mga bato makaingon kag grabe nila ka kuan. Kung giunsa na lang na nila pag himo. Like carved decoration from the facade of the 5th century monumental synagogue. From monumental synagogue. From what country are you from? Hello. From what country are you from? Austria. Yes. Okay. So, welcome to Capernaum. We are also from Philippines. Okay, so naday mga top kung yun sa ni pag-carve, very very powerful. Ha? Sa may sit up. Tamang dali ka. Dali ka. Kami na nabili mga craft top. Kuya nga ang design, no? Pomegranate. Okay na, layo pa. Layo pa to sila. Layo pa. Grabe, no? Ang bato ba? Precious kayo sila ang bato ba? Oo. Oh. Precious kayo. Dako uya kayo ko memorable nila ang bato, memorial gid nila. Oh. Kita reklamo naman ta bisag gamay ra nga bato tong dalon. Maghimo ra ta gamay nga kuan dito mang monument. Dito, maghimo ta gamay nga monument ba. Oo. Dito lang oh. Kanang frame ba, frame. Ah.
Then ako'y glass to kasi sa taas ko sa TV.
Oh,
Ito na siya kanang
dito. Hi. Are you from what country?
Germany.
Turkey?
You're
Huh?
not.
Oh, that's,
Wow, Philippines.
yeah. So, there are a lot of tourists diri mga craft. Ako yaw kay ilang bato no? Ilang gina kita magsimendo ta, mabuak dayon. Wala ra, libre ra. Oh, libre ra. Kuyaw diri kayo. Mga igsoon. Ang bato. Ligong yun kayo. Dili ni siya yung nga buhos, no? Original gini nga bato. Dami nga stone. Grabe. Mga crafter. Kung di unsa ni nilang bato, makalilisan. Normalisan ka. Kung ang batong ligon kay gina lingin ra Manila. Isa may ilang ginagamit. Hey, isa may ilang ginagamit ani. Maamis ka sa ilang creation. Sa ilang pag-create, maamis ka mga craft up. You can just imagine ha. Kung tanawon nato ni diri oh. Diri oh, tanawon nato. Oh ta. Ha? Dili na di pa ko kahiyon. Ha? Ta? Di pa man. Dool naman ta siguro. Dool naman.